In ENGL2666 Creative Writing Theory and Practice, we have a range of award-winning and published writers who teach you how to write any kind of creative writing, from short stories to flash fiction to longer forms such as novels, as well as poetry, essays and various creative non-fiction, including life writing. Basically, you can write in whatever forms and genres you're most interested in. We have weekly topics with a weekly lecture and set readings that expose students to writing they won't have come across before. A diverse mix of classic and contemporary texts. We have loads of writing exercises to get you practicing various techniques and modes of writing, and every week we workshop each other's writing in class, in small groups or as a whole class. The theory element of the coursework is important. While we read lots of creative texts, each week we also read a text that is critical, essayistic, theoretical, so that you can improve your analytical skills and apply textual analysis to your own writing and editing. Each week there's a different module or topic. Some of these include form and style, writing as research, genre, world building in fiction, the essay as a creative text, environmental poetics, decolonial poetics, ekphrasis and intermedia, post-digital poetics and aesthetics, and more. Each week we read a diverse array of creative texts by some of the most interesting Australian and international authors, so short stories, poetry, chapters from novels and more, alongside critical and scholarly texts. There are many reasons to take this creative writing course. 1, to improve your creative writing. 2, to have your writing workshopped by a supportive community. 3, to learn and experiment with modes of writing you haven't encountered before. 4, to build on your writing practice, whether you've studied a creative writing course or taught yourself. And 5, to meet other writers at the beginnings of their journeys. What are the guiding questions of this course? 1 might be, what can we learn from other creative texts? Another might be, how do we analyse what a story or poem or book is attempting to do? Another, why is a synergy of form and content important? And quite importantly, why is making strange integral to creative writing, like it is for most art? I enjoy the course structure because of the variety of writing modules we offer. We still give a weekly lecture that leads into the weekly tutorials, and I like the lectures a lot, which are given by multiple members of the creative writing team. And I always look forward to giving my lecture on genre. I play a Guess the Mashup genre game in that lecture, which is fun. One of the texts that week on genre is a short story called We've Only Just Begun by the brilliant Canadian poet Anne Carson. It's a short story that uses so many different genres in it. It starts out as a kidnap crime narrative and ends with a twist in the tale. But throughout there are uses of poetry, linguistics, etymology, travel, ancient history, and it's also a love story. And there's a great yellow pet python in it.